Today I'd like to introduce you how to start little tiny seeds indoors to germinate and transplanting delicate seedlings into the pot. Impatiens are moderately difficult to grow from seed, it is said, and especially those tiny seeds like impatiens are not easy to handle too. So I chose impatient to show you my experiment for germination. These seedlings are 3 weeks young. I'm going to transplant these impatient seedlings into pot. Before I do that, I'd like to show how I made impatient seed germinated. First of all, I filled the cookie container with fully soaked coconut coir. I prepared the pure cotton ball disc as you see. I didn't use flat-shaped pre-made cotton ball discs. I made loose, round cotton ball discs from pure cotton ball. I put each cotton ball disc on each coconut coir filled blocks. I didn't soak cotton disc with water before yet. Now, as I'm watering, after cotton ball discs are on the top of the coconut coir base, cotton ball discs and coconut coir base bound tightly. Impatient seeds are so tiny and light like a dust, so I almost can blow them away with my breath. The reason I'm starting seeds indoors is young plants are so soft, so they can be smashed by squirrels, or eaten by slugs, or ignored by gardeners like me because they are so tiny when they sprout outside. I'm planting impatient seeds on the top of each cotton ball disc. Now, you can see how easy to move seeds between blocks to adjust the number of seeds in each block. Impatient seeds need bright light for germination, so I didn't cover seed at all with soil or cotton ball disc, so as they can be exposed to the light directly. You can see seeds well with a white background cotton color and easy to move between blocks. And I spray seeds gently so as seeds attached itself by gluing tightly to cotton disc. I could see the seeds are tightly attached itself, gluing tightly to cotton disc. I could see the seeds and cotton ball disc and coconut coir base bound tightly together in each block. Covered with a clear plastic cookie container cover and kept under approximately 1 foot below fluorescent tube light. When seeds were germinated, I removed the cover. This picture is what I took 10 days after sowing, and these impatient seedlings are 2 weeks young since I planted the seed. These are 3 weeks young seedlings. Impatient seedlings are to be transplanted into other containers within 7 to 10 days of germination as recommended. So I'd like to transplant these seedlings into little pots because it's time to do it. Actually, these are seed starting pots, but I believe by the time impatiens grow big enough in these pots, it'll be warm enough to transplant to outdoor. First, I filled the pots with wet potting soil and made holes. I am transplanting seedlings into pots. You can see how it is easy to transfer delicate and tiny seedlings into pots. It is even easy to move out from pot to correct position too. Because cotton disc support seedlings, it is much easier to handle. You can see how it is easy to transfer delicate and tiny seedlings into pots It is even easy to move out from pot to correct position too. I found this one seedling separated from coconut coir block and I plant into a pot. Hope it will survive. Now I'm watering all the pots until water goes through the pot. Impatiens are slow-growing plant, so recommended to start indoors 2 or 3 months before the last frost day. I prepared this a little bit early so as you can start the seeds indoors ahead of time. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your spring garden. Bye.